Hello friends, in this lecture we will see next operation that is centerline drilling. So this is a part, okay, and I'm going to show you IPW. This is the IPW, okay, and now first I'm going to show you this center line. These are the center line operation. We can use this center line drilling for turning operation. And before selecting this operation, I'm going to define tool. So center line, and under center line, I'm defining one spot drill. So click here, and 20 is a dia. And if you want to place it properly, so click here and enter the value 90 and see. Okay, and the tool number is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's select this 4 and okay, and I'm going to define one more tool for drilling, so spot drill, and this drilling tool is 20 and tool number is 5 and if you want to rotate it, so enter the angle as 90. So my tool is defined. Now I'm going to select my operation, and that is under this center line, and my first operation is this spot drill. For spot drill, click here, and my folder is this program, and my tool is spot drill. Geometry is this turning workpiece, and lathe center line operation. Here you will see my cycle is this drilling cycle, and output I want machining output, means cycle will come, machine cycle will generate, and depth is 3. Okay, it will start from this strategy. Select this start point is automatically, so automatically it will start from the origin, and the depth is 3. Okay, and let's generate it, and this direction is along z axis, so it is axial direction. See this, and here I'm going to define the offset, or this is the offset for depth, so I'm going to enter 2 and axial direction, so this will come 5. Okay, keep it 0, and here in strategy select it, and clearance distance is 3, and dwell is 1 revolution at the bottom, and tool location is on center line, and in drilling we will see this, no problem. Starting is automatically, and generate, and from here verify it. Okay, so this is the spot drill. Now next operation is this center line drilling, so I'm going to select this center line drilling, and my tool is this standard drill. Rest option are the same, and here I'm going to define the depth, so this time my depth is endpoint. So which is your endpoint, you can select by selecting the point. Okay, and generate. See, this will generate, and I want to define my start point as well. So from this strategy, my start point is automatically, I want to specify, so this is my start point, so it will be start from here to here, and here dwell, I want dwell revolution as 1, and on location is center line, so it is creating this tool path at the center of this part, because this is the turning part, and off center sometime center is missed, and it is off center because of turret tool location and misalignment of the turret. So I'm going to select this as 10 only. Okay, and generate this, and you will see, okay, it will generate like this, and in this case the tool will break. So keep this on center, and entrance diameter is same. If you will increase, so a little bit above it will come from entrance. Okay, but it is not showing you here, like to generate. Okay, it is just the same. So I'm not entering it. Okay, and just go to this and generate, verify it in 2D, and okay, and okay. Now I want to use different one, the this drilling option. So I want to delete it. So right click here and from toolpath I'm going to delete this. The toolpath is still here, but it is not working. It is in deleted condition. So select here, and here we have Centerline brake chip. Okay, so I'm using this. Options are the same, and distance endpoint, and endpoint is this. Brake chip is my cycle. Okay, here we have the brake chip cycle, and from strategy, clearance distance is 3, dual is dual time, center line starting from automatically, and chip removal, increment and departure distance. So clearance is 3, constant increment is 3, departure distance is 1. Let's generate this and simulate. See, this is the brake chip operation. In turning, it is not necessary to make hole for drilling in feature because it is not working with the feature. Just you have to define start or end point and it will work. Okay, so for this constant increment, zero point 0.3 is the increment. The tool is moving 0.3, 0.3, and the departure is 1. Again, back it is 1. And this retract is to start point. Okay, and verify and 3D dynamic. Okay, and okay. So these are some option for turning center line. Okay, we can use from the center line.